Kwabna.
Well, if you're with RCP, a mindset challenge, growth mentality, and until you be such that you know, the unfortunate thing is that only a lawyer for the income, almost say, Emrebia or my Ghana here, say, yin yam or money to me to pon a conkaino. Sam Rano, ever honum. But the danger in applying that law, no, a man yosema yediabe fori emra any amemu. A man yosema de pa any ebe ho mresanti nyina. But a man yosema enye papa a man nipa enya saa kokuduro no se ombetu anamo a ene mrabo ebrefi se enwo susuanso no yenye ho hwe no. Eno na ana yensua de nso. Si yensua de pa kasem se be the immediate past year ade ya to ye no anka na montu bi a echese yensua de aba ba yensua de afrika da de na ye jeans empty. We don't have any problem apart from the growth mentality mindset a toto ano now what kura nipa de to trasem say wie na obi afa ne hodi na abeka say enipa no afi na yetimachi mu nwotwe ana say ebinim so adwane say mindset. You are building a certain mindset bia emmoy nyina o kura central for ne de obo for timetina TV ni radio so trotron sema ensem fata efa nipa hodo nyina all manner of people and they are being hailed. Mindset o kura ya ton apio e was station wa driver ni nya kuduro bra passenger for team e ko twa bi ama passenger for no zo omo twa bi na so omo fa ho or the better stia dachi e was station masters so say akuro chichiriye no say nya adwini mu nsachiraye na ye bekoso aka ama na ba. What do we do again?
Seriously,
because ekura no de wa wo ye o de mention come back to no de wa wo ye ekura no o de hwefie wo ye monte so say wa ba mu obi immediately hwefie wo ye monte so obe come ye no any anamon pa na etu afa ho abepem sa abrewe edi ye wo a challenge because of the mindset. The mentality is not about growth, it's about the easiest way out every situation we find ourselves in. Because we catch you in paying for responsibility. Yeah, on my new for no so responsibility. Yeah, what you said yes, mindset. Because if you they are the matrix also said 1989 year school. Na CBC na Accra Kumasi Road. Urologist for wu, etitru wu, adofo wu, abusua paying for afrimu, and nani ajamu afrimu. Sa kwan na nkasa besi sa abre aye kase. They be the nipe okwan so ezukwano yemfa.
They be
so iti ya man yosem ni ya adwene na ya adwene no. Eye totally different from omaya say etumpon na ekodu mpempenso a ya kwan so nkane abeba so ya driver for mo koba en na se for no na station master so na obekọ na omde e tawle gu omko wadi fufu a obeti ade that's all.
That's
the challenge. Yes, so can say who this new way here. Okobo National Road Safety for Road Safety Authority for Okobo mo charge emfa. Okobo NCC in the logistics called they call education. It's sort no maya. Except agency here to say birth and deaths. And now I'm for that connection for a passport, a certificate.
Birth
set was a connection, and such a sensitive thing. Paper to me short to paper the birth set, a short to bear 3, 4, 5 months. We also this space in an air cost. Some brain are short a juvenile connection and so system anymore. So that is the country we are talking about. Mindset. Bibia Diego. Mindset. So compare me say ye nyina no ye beba to a certain conclusion say they be ameka all of us that hit it hard with ourselves but baby I be do no ye hear a certain growth in our mindset no ye be pem so na ye den na car enko DVL it's road where the ebo cars ni nyina no what not can she throw to ma uhu form car ne ko uhu form say kwan ne nam wa wo ko na
nso to kure eyirugu so
eyiri a ewura car nim makani na
egu so kura direct wo ka kire mate kura wo mfiu ti se oni hanki bi dia wo te kra so wo afo
ye comparison and ye na akwa amanone no chen nyina ne say wona ye o madwene asi o kete say nipa bone 40 say ya bi o amanone ho ndiye so ye behwe say emra ne ye be ne pampi na enim twi na enim adoa because how me o ma hin for red light ma and the eja na Thomas ko forma na ya che no. So everything we are doing here, the kind of mindset and mentality. You crow mu so na pa obi anonim dey yakra oba so na pa he obi a so ya dey say na body ke wi pa pu he ta the oka mindset asema is the key to growth in this country. But ya dwene na nkasa na obi tim the ambulance ecofa cement dia e kira wa dwene a ambulance o da kwalo du cement
mi wa obi yare ye hia bi kura no kura yenya
cement mindset iti ye kasa anema we a na ekura ka ahwe ase na nse ewom ana emu ewom ana nipa eko nye go driver ni meji ye ko peja mo ne nsa no mindset. It's the mindset. Mesno, sustain us with some of these conversations. For instance, if you are the buyer and the enquenchia once a month, a lawyer for hand say practical people, former member, a menacing crutch for so I'm sure they will walk us through some of the experiences that they have experienced and what they know. Now, Abuama and community shape because I didn't know what you see, you know. Obia at age 20, or so cut down Trasako. At age 22, also own a fleet of, fleet of cars. So it has a fleet of cars. Cars, Uncle Pet, and Toyota, Nasa, Tuabi, and French Ronco. On what target Bugatti, Monet, Sa cars, no copy biato. High-end cars, no copy biato. So it is your mindset, even how to be successful, no. O mana kasa twasebia to a ehupa so person ye e wo Ghana ha atenye nkontompo enye no kwafo we obi a menye patriotic na afi we obi a di ifa amanyo sema eni nyina so no fa bata ho nti wo A and B sa nyoma we anama we are successful in this country. This is where we have got into. Atenye number 1, dishonesty number 2, unpatriotic number 3. So what I say, be overly partisan. The impunity in this country, mindset. There no be any illegal mining. No social media. Now, as I say, you embrace a person, you reclaim no. Ono di a year since you say. Oh, trust I can't say, Mr. President, oh, Pabra. You know, but she am. I want to say. Mindset. Be a more to scratch. I don't know you know. So, on mind so I instruct you know. You know who she you. And who is Sunday? Where you. One now can say a tip of the iceberg. Where the kitu abi na dia pony na ye also prede sa. Hwem kwada ketesi o musuku. Na hwed nyoma o mu ba social media. Kwada ketu maiwa o musuku SHS. Na hwed nyoma o mu ye ni akukudro edi beto social media. Na o man ni mfa. If onu akwada na SHS once SHO o si ama kwan o. Ye beji mu kunu e da social media enim school wo e feel na obia hwe na akọ. Sometimes I don't know what our gender ministry is really how is working around the social welfare system. I don't know how they are working around this. Iti okase u jamia maybe ye ka ma ko 930 abona for yapo mindset odu obi akoto adwuma mu kra no no wadom na wasere wa wo na Ghana adwuma ye ana private man adwuma ye no okwa adwuma na say report to 8:30 obeba 10 o'clock now sorry for adwuma num be 1 o'clock wa pon for the day but the panic complaints at times are tough. Mindset you cannot punish anybody because of NDC and the government places in there and shall say no and enya nature say bibia be to so akosa because ya gia to mindset go with your NDC you don't upon one graph for problem aba okokoko board ura ha ufa ha wanji fache na koko board be simti fache yes everything baby obia it is jamina manja mo ankwa
ai mamenko na
mindset
era say me dey fear amankwa tamaklu
menka say If free nekui, we no fear for no sorry for assemblies, baby. I call a man paying question. Don't out in a privilege. Mr. Assembly from Batako. Fresh one, I'm moving to national service. A farm.
Oh, okay.
Please.
Obi na em dance ni. Wa share your bomb.
I'm going
na na say ni na share bomb.
No,
Nim ko the picture. Na ka say me na ma ba ja kokoko. Me nkoda.
Ora mi amede bebro. Mama mayu ane dia bro.
Eti mi sewo. Akoko pa ya feeding ni ye. National service for no by the time we man the number.
Na I kwaji bia na.
Ye me meji kwaji franco. Say ye tu the boom the kwaji franco. Very good prices so. You know, omo ya strong.
Me say atama me we be me tasty ye me hu ye. Jimi ntimi me hu dance.
Me nua ba di nkran ha. Ntimi di akokọ ma wa okọ.
Oni wadwane ye.
Busa abra say o
Debi. Oni nkran ha.
Abra
me di akokọ ma okọ no no wen.
Odia fabra unya de no so abra be okoto de e.
Oni ba so ma me nua ba.
Na I will say akwaba.
Yeah, right.
Bibia good or service o.
Oh, nyame ado.
Bibia kama.
Nyame ado.
Farms no muguso.
Oh, sisi akra de yeah started harvesting wo abutentry.
Okay.
Yeah, 1,005 acres and started harvesting.
Oh wow.
Don't grow kwanta so are ready and edwiran so are ready for harvesting.
Okay.
So we have started
specifically we engage in what that particular department at the secretariat no. We engage in which kind of products in terms of farm products babe.
Oh, sir, most deputy directors need two operations and finance and admin. Operations no me na me hwe your programs ni your projects nyina so.
Okay.
So in terms of deployment of national service personnel ni na nyina no family ho ansa na akodi ho.
Okay.
And na yemfu aye nyina no call down but say nyame adom yetimi revive ni nyina.
Okay.
So we no ka say there ye ebro ye soya bean ye emo and ye tomatoes. Yes. Ye were more across Ghana almost 2,000 acres.
A more.
Bachelor.
No more branding is saying.
Oh, something here. Yes. So
the national service rise
very soon. Yeah. We share yeah, Bruno cry. I was a sack. You be beer. Come.
Major to TV job. Don't worry. I Ghana. They may. It's more than three more.
Since Nkoko ye Nkoko nim preku. And I dream.
I dream much more.
Yes, you
are more one.
To say the young who but ye turn fresh.
Okay. All right. So wow.
And I guinea fowls near but asa.
Momo a mixed breed in Biana, and I say a curasi boliga de 9 fian.
Oh, we mixed breed in the Omun said I trying to say
my trying to say chewing gum. All right. It's good. But who contact number be because a lot of
mama contact number but sales girls in the my ready and they are from
delivery.
Yeah, delivery.
Coconut ready.
Coconut ready.
Then you're not just like a chef.
Ready.
Oh, what's my idea? No, maybe Kayo. Oh, no, the better radio. So, no, didn't come on. Oh, Shabwa wouldn't say, and you're ready. Now, oh, can you do mana?
The view, okay,
Mr. Obi, I'm dancing. Obi, radio. So, I jump to a share ball.
Nabegia, they also me Begia, who became food to a MPP for crab and Jimmy Coco. It's all magic. Namin so umbrella. I'm it's all here, Coconibia, Fred 059 838 4468 059 838 4468.
Okay.
O friend me fa on be yire kama ma you na be deliver ma.
Okay.
Aha. Kama pa.
Lawyer Kwaba.
Yenua.
Bibi eboko.
Nyankopon aye na afamu de. Aka de aban no ne yebusuafon so be ya asoso.
Okay. So we study this trend from politicians. When the NDC was in opposition. Now lawyer Eti Hanum Tino. Now you have seen what they side now. You say you have seen oh my. Onyamia ye bi kama. Akadi abanyewu it be so who say omusi omudumedi na wakoma nko help Jonyame ara from the area ampa Akadi John Dramani ma make us man Akadi is John Dramani
me more president di me say yekoda ya sorry Nyame na from the
na say Nyame na from the area Akadi pa die
Akadi aban no be ye asoso na ye ho beto ye
back sawam kwa unam so yo enye ofe unam so yo enye ofe
Misu kuma say bare misu am sawamu. But for baby also do sawamu. Sisi nyina me ya.
The president has assured us that apart from Momo bypass being by Konongo as well, or by another straight one at them. And look at I say Richard and the parents from yes design. Dr. Richard and it had the Ghana plan side in the day. It's no the
and the express.
Some okay. Meet you. Yen I didn't see ya. Because said the Okasa who school 1989. Na kwan no to say the eti. Me kai say somewhere 2000. Me me bank ya. Yeah. The same kwan ya and fa so ba. Me ansesa me ebesi ne ya driver fa so nyina. Bibia ni wa asesa.
But the president can also about tackle way as another express
bypass.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that bypass because the moon to be encouraged say mo ankasa mo doctor
Manchester United o mu team ni gunu omo slogan o mu say believe over hope. Believe over hope. Ndi de waka no. Ni bibia meka bia.
Onyi ni say beti Messi na.
Believe over hope.
Omo apenso di anko onyi ni. Yen apenso di e be ya manabam.
Obai
ti mensuru
nyama de wakoma so na
anyama bebre beba na afia cancer ma na da makoma so we ma menchia ahwefo na menchia MPP mabunu nyina na ma show mu nkran se achie muye na nyame ya adoma next week yenyina yekọ akotia wa obenya ho no
next week that Tuesday then
yeah it's on the 2nd and Sunday 27 yeah Mr. Ukuya wa obenya time kakra bia wo nsabia no yenyina yinhia wakotia na yenkoboa constituency for na region for no na yentimi and retain seat no amai afiansem ni bi na me de faba na okase okọ stations wa station master tawo no kom amen nka odwunu ho ajo so na ebi a wo man wo wo ka ukukuma se a wo de be ko nkofro ayi bi ana wo kọ kaso ana wo kọ Madina onkofro trotro obviously Uber driver car na ko dinkan fa wo ho but the fa wo ho ne say onu so road user oni nya na use kwan no this driver ni ne ba na sabi sa red ni ho ahwan tramon ho nunu bi
akiki mi na se
what they ba you say also akiki mi eh ni din so de pa sa no
bi di ba akiki mi
enti so oba no no face wa wo ko che kwa no face wa and omu tie sim so omu hwe ba bia sa no pa mi ba hu bebri enti ano na man ye worrying to ye nyina ana enkoye se bia wo nko an so bi ana obusuani bi so akakofro car ni bi mi ko hwie o magu aba just yesterday from Abri Hayao from a Kropon Ebri obi akonya accident ho awu na obi sa ho say na sa stretch na de e de pa na be mo obi atima akonya accident so awu because obviously sa kwan no kra untimi nko speed bebre ba mi tietie mu no e through the recklessness of driver bi and maame na wo no ye madam ochira de o wakwakọ ma speech was a talk bi na oba back to the school wa medru ne ba na ye me yonko na maame tesa asem how now to another point that makoma sambesa meka na meka che Ghana for nyina I became a victim of that circumstance when I was a district chief executive ECG4 and I will say it here again say we am say my stance have always been that we are paying people for no work done, especially the ECG office. Oma minu abako akache me say was seen in fear. My wiring ni bibia. Meter open. It's taking him 8 months. Unyebi.
Meter.
I know that chaya. Obi usu so kwa de wanya meter ni bia o yusu kanea no. Yisi make capture keke. Na onti o mo kano.
I'm trying to build a brand BC that.
Message say, I to say
300
he is rather doing them. No, they are rather doing him a favor. Or no, you so light. Eh? Openyi bi mintimi fani di ntuja. Okache me say for the past 6 years oni Ghana ha we see fie no ha de but no outside. So for the past 6 years we see in fie untu light bill da. And yes, on 200 more was so 200 more. As my making Honorable Rebecca Yabua,
down with the Bacon, I bet you 2 billion.
Honorable Rebecca Yabua, I am dancing, a former MC for Atumango Bejanov. Many in the tone of Papanica Semche. Also, one Tias say, O Marco Wako, the bush of one who 6 years until light builder. But you were ECG, MD, your managers, your district officers, district one, every month we are no. The salary bow. Then you ask yourself, say, Juma Ben or ye chana hoka. A Juma Bay Oko can. Yes, all Kobo be champs, so your money champs. How? And because the politician is so vulnerable, no, oh, the upper you see for any more muye in ano. Manem Pascal. Yabeka say Minister for Energy. Yeah. Or the appointee there. We cannot continue like that.
That's it.
Monday, no. Me call me am formal school, Asanteman Secondary School. Me call ya de o so ame. Nti me ba na so ma me first school ho na. Me nti fortunately we do no mo say o mo twerɛ social studies. Ana me chair teachers na wo ho no. Edan as part of interventions are binding the bar here. ICC abrosan bi a de be avoid double track no say students no endorse no e dan no ho ye fia ma me hu bi da ana me bisa senior asma says eh na senior na e dan de ho ye fin dudu was ye nya scar di be penti no problem o my unya scar di be penti a metwase because unyi school fees. Now the question I want to ask them me bisa o mo me say bisa o have you any GES says they say nkwa no ko school a ye mo mpra bi o ada because baby no mo choice am no ho fi masema bo school ni di min chantron me say Asanteman Senior High School me ko ho Monday no mo choose social studies from staircase no so ecosi classroom no mo choice am no oh fi pa ti mo see seniors master say na senior say paint na mutimi tom paint dan na nkwa bebrebe over 2000 school o mutimi mpra.
Is it free SHS?
Free SHS into common sense. No, I'm asking you free SHS into common sense. No, you see, and you are not in fear. No, me what fancy Kobe, I may neti, and I come about time neti no. Let's go free SHS. If you are to opera, if you go free SHS, like I can say, baby, I will done a food dog. Classroom I got tells you idea, pra, and also so a bonnet and I what's you. No, I don't get it. And the teacher say day. We so back say a man first come out be penti a foreman you omutimi mpra. Me say my body Asanteman Senior School there's a headmaster, there's assistant, you see assistant for one be 3. Assistant academics, assistant domestic, assistant one. Enti omodwuma mo ye day. Omutimi mpra school na o pra keke no omutimi mpra. Now how will you even pass an exams in such an environment? Come be got exams the whole fee
mindset say normal.
Why would that be normal? Why?
Abnormalities are normal in this country now.
It is wrong. Any akwa bi no on social media Ralph bi na obi aka venture no
at the wedding.
Unim the why o man.
But we have dealt with him on the rage matter. Yeah. What's the issue again?
Okay. The video ba ko bi so asaba. To nam na obi sunuso na kwosua no akwa na se bibia sha ya pepepe o ma mo fa ni agro o se mutimi chekere na nkasa a sha na ya pepepe o ana onya be ma nche obia o oman mu oman ne so nya ne dia o na so yo oman hene oman ni nyina o na ye hene no no to ye wan a oman no odi na mu no che se ase wa tam oman na bonebo so obia suro no obia ntumi nka na asem o ye wan
I see.
Who is he? And the security agencies no, odo pa my maintenance here na me make statement. And foul man penyin ho and foul man ho a dangerous to the democracy of the country. Eba be fam has here. Na ko we ni nam na odi nsehunu ni ye hwe no. Yetumi nka no hwe. Wo ye hwan man ne dia. One person. He's holding all of us to ransom. And I said can so yasa. And we can't arrest him.
A mindset.
Mindset here there.
Didn't you call for equity and personally clean hands in man say at a point in time, Minya Kumawuni Kremenim double. At a point in time when we were advocating that the foolishness and that Nana Kufuado by members of the party, a key one was a report from Ayawaso West. When we vehemently opposed, say you cannot dress like say Saudi Arabia, say Afghanistan. You fought us back. It is a mindset and then the over partisanship any protecting the people. Key amongst the people are moving back for total casting out of that. One gentleman be no friend. The report indicted him. Say the modern born as so. But what did you see?
No, my report indicted you.
Men from Braba. They come and say, men from Braba defend this. I'm a yama do. Men from Braba defend it. It is a ne. Obabe single answer. Until I had a money growth, no. See, a change of mind. And I say we have all fallen short. Because now we had 8 months ago. These same things that we are doing today.
Yeah.
We told them. But it's not healthy for the country, not for the party MPP. Yeah. It's not healthy for the country. In China, we are tackling the NDC. It's not healthy for Ghana, not the NDC.
No, you are not tackling. I'm not even tackling the NDC.
I'm
tackling the system.
No, or you're a sympathizer to the NDC. You cannot run away from that.
One thing we should also not forget is some of these bloggers intentionally drives traffic on their pages. By some of these, acting. So be soon it could be acting. You would never know.
Yeah.
Yes, because they get paid when people flood their pages.
You know,
to flood their pages for money.
Minya, Radio Gold brought some of us up.
Wow.
During the Eslo regime,
I
sat on radio with Sefakai and then Obi. The three of us on ecosystem. We condemned it, vehemently opposed and MFAPO that the position and the stance of Eslo then was avoidable. So why would I justify to me today?
Yeah.
But it's mindset.
Yeah.
The retaliatory politics that we are practicing. We are lawyer. So client about the catcher said no must satisfy all the requirements that NCA need. If everything has been satisfied, but he may free one. Go back to James Jenny Boat, and say, my friend, I say, come on, the SSCA be as a station. Yeah, radio good. But the people are refusing to. So, I don't know what we want to do to ourselves.
No, but we cannot continue like that.
But how do we end it? Because, I can say, Moncophobia by radio, so I can say, Saban's son, retaliation, mindset.
It has to get to a point. No,
I know they say, Ghana, where you cause you. I know that. The person that you are. But it ends there.
That's it.
Who MPP for much with to catch say you could it. The entrance in my advance $2 billion and a baby condition.
Oh, and they say
mindset. Then you are building. Then you build that mentality. Then it becomes a mind.
Then it becomes so it depends on who becomes the leader. You see, who leader? Okay.
Are you thinking that the SXs, Nanado, and then Joe Mama wanted it? Sometimes at the blind side of your
but
excesses no you're too much.
The growth mentality, mindset, it's some kind of retaliatory politics. That mentality should be erased.
Our biggest problem as a nation, yes, but we are not working on our mindset. That is the truth. Because me call primary school. Sabi every Wednesday, your friend is a hygiene. You show more you show on tight dear, you show sabi was senkora yebehwe. Ene ayera me call secondary school St Mary Seminary Secondary.
And okoye be ka say who infringe on.
Near attire prefect. Yeah. On the Najuma ne say munyina mo kwa sorry no gina kwan mu ho.
Monitor wo say no say atu no mpaboa.
What? Let's say wow classmate pa munyina mo ye senior so no wetimi ayi we fi line mu kona kodo ade ya want to attire.
That's it.
And so na bibi say
mindset.
Bibi say ni ho. And dey pass na university na
it depends on school. Schools we are still almost.
Why should it be dependent on a particular school?
Leadership
not failure to the extent that all government schools are assembly grants no. Rare. Private schools be no mpaboa ho nyina futuro nko.
Me say my DC man so do bia no important. Government schools wo ho me actual government schools bia me time is see for the assembly. And answer for the communities are fetching government schools are a war baby to say we can remember how some de nyame I mean school be old nyame government school just opposite Micklin Hotel
yeah
also government school also the one time but also a prime area but a buying school
yeah
what I say a buying school a janisa I can't believe but go to my so be a JHS no go school CC no, and I bind there.
Mindset.
Into Bia found. Me say Denyame, macho Denyame. Me say cho fufrana. Prime area ben a chain Patasi. Go to Patasi and MJHS. And I say self school no. Look oh.
What for saying? Mindset me ka se me ka. Ya kwa kwatia. The all transits na if political parties no money move. E boja begu we be see.
Yeah.
Be kunipa, ye be
choma. Obi atumi kumu bia.
Omo ye emergency acheche.
Obi atumi kumu bia.
What the blade
but you see, me by elections koswa ntokwane adisi nyina. I'll blame the police.
Jeez.
I'll blame the police and ask me why. Police there what juma pa mrani dia ma say you are protecting lives and properties. And he say oh man no kra mrani che say o man wo jira on your police ni. So okoto say obi di bone ana say obi di o man na wu a wutimi che no wonye police o
citizens arrest.
Yes wutimi che no. It is a police ni gina ho na obi ye lawlessness na police ni ka say we neutral no better be ka say we party A party B. How can you be neutral when there is lawlessness and lawfulness? You should always be on the side of the lawfulness.
Officer, we have just about 20 minutes. Yeah.
Maybe dear, here make a sepan say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama promised a reset agenda. Yeah, your national service. The feed Ghana agenda no. Also, per se, the leading institutions. At least they see no say. We've been able to expand our farms to 12 regions of Ghana. Or say we up to the next season, no, you cover all the 16 regions.
Good.
Nti yeguso, ye ni abrepa na the mestre biom say. They say agriculture no enye sebe tete hodie na sekan ni asonko abiem. Ene sebe wo baji fan kokora ye mfa sekan eto akoko mu ne mu
machine e
aha, nti no now we are into AI.
And they say we need a time no ni nyina bio.
Machine to we are second just a second of pie one way.
Onim said there's a process I timi pie akoko no mu ye ne suru nyina. So they
come and enjoy the machines.
I also do bonzo na ye kurase. How the man so that no ayo. So now strategy national service ye pese ye edi boa creation of job ne say most of the agric colleges of education for no we in the presidency ye more poor nyina up onto the national service scheme. You know ye be for nyina as volunteers now gradually ye push you into all our farms. Now national service GES and get fund esa can ye ba be establish poultry farm in all secondary schools in Ghana. Poultry and vegetable farms. In the school, be aware nyakura with 15,000 layers, bini with 10,000 broilers, bini amount. But then the good news is that enye schools na ebe mane poultry farms no ye this graduates no marketing agri students procurement for nyina na ebe sha no omo no manage no enye national service pay nkwa na de be ma omo o ye productive na mo ye sales no then we pay you commission on top of the oye no until after our service year was a sua then one person establishing so then under the happy project we set you up for your own poultry house. That's the strategy going forward. Now, your best on say Papa farms no one of the complaints ni bia enya and say
Hacho Papa.
Yes, na poultry farm.
About filling station at you no.
Mpacho an. They say you over 70,000 beds so.
Oh, okay, no.
Yes.
Wow.
17 acre land into. Oh, so painfully we are training you in poultry farming. And see a kase ko feedi mo in kokono and as change your munsu mumbua in the deep litter system. Inti mumbua with the litter exchange na se for. According to one of the ladies, that is not their job. They are supposed to be observers in the training. Ye train you ma aditi ye ma mo ye adwuma na o ma hene me se me brofo na nya mo nkere me. How can I train you if you don't put your hands into what you are doing?
Me ma there, you have to be part of it.
I
don't understand. And that is the mindset of some of Yankola no.
Mindset.
Me training you no say me training you in they are supposed to be observing for the training. I'm saying what kind of training is that? Yeah, tomato farming na mamo. Yeah, irrigation. Yeah, the line for her. Yeah, your friend is saying drip irrigation. Yeah, the line for her. Yeah, the seedling nishisha anti nursery hono. Yeah, said I man yeah more nursery because a bad nursery and see yeah thing and cook all the chicks in yeah trans yeah the move free boxes man in the yard there opa. What the man no mbukumo munyina. And I can say man so far seed into two nursery obokono or the 10 agum.
I didn't
yeah, masa ye clumsy.
Stereotyping.
Oh, seriously, a man in the yard. The man who condensed you honor. Obebana bo say a box kitu abaku bia abanu baku.
And I say you swing na.
Remember to come out over na basa.
You swing na okonnezi sa. Madam for example, you teach what the bag it's normal to put them there.
Some of them have problems doing that. It's training you in tomato production. No? How do we train you if you don't do the hands-on job?
Yes, seriously.
And the mindset is that we consider agric as
BBB,
a backward thing.
BBB.
But you say no, on our phone, on my phone now, I observe 24 hours what happens at the Papa farms. There are AI or my installer Maya. So the temperature in the hen coop nukura ko ya e my alarm.
Wow.
Yes. Insuo na ye de ma omo no omo de sabi AI gadgets abobo ho a insuo no kura contamination bi kura ba ma e detect ma ye. So that is where agric is getting to. Etinye brofu vocabulary akese no nko and I went to a farm in Eastern region who produce 1,700 crates of egg a day. Me koina papa ni sun se pressure da no so. Adaya ontimi meet demands. Eastern region here kwa ben. Togo for the sika beto say eja enton magana for no. Ton ma yenko a ye discount. They are paying advance ahead. Eh. Oma hene. Ensio bi me pese me body na otahu bi ogana ha. Oda mami body X mineral water away.
A yere free system no.
Mo de moti ha na mo di agro. Oh mo dia o tia no man 2 years 3 years ahead production. Enya sam kitu na ekoso sa no.
Man konkron Ghana.
And Burkina ntinkro na twa ye ho ahia no, these are some of the things they do to us. Nti bedru bebi ne ya nkasa ye ho de yenye bi nto. Papa ne nyasa bi patriotism na ewura ni mu a aso de bi de mitimi nyasa. Nti oya ne kro na wo so no every Wednesdays bia no aja ose kro mu ofo nko ambeto. Nti ne ofuri kumase kro akwa onton ma. This kwa benfo na atwa for Wednesday no. Wednesday sunu su twam de ande na aluta. And that is what His Excellency wants us to do, say, or my target of at least 1 million production of eggs every your friend saying chicken every year,
which you are capable.
Oh, na see ye free power, ye expand it to all the 16 regions.
Very capable.
We can do it easily. Nti ma hene ye best mindset ni dia wo ho. Office, say nye office nye sika wo. Sika no wo wura.
This you room.
Ayi chama bi okuba sika wo bush.
Serious.
Chama sika wo bush ma.
And na me no ka enura kra ayi katafo bi ba Minister of Agriculture. I was privileged to be there. Omono katafo ni disike ba Minister of Agriculture say omo be invest $5 billion in Ghana. Omo be see fertilizer processing factory. Omo be see gas process because gas no be nya fertilizer no. Nka mo den ke fa omo ho ben. But omo ka minister na ni omo ka so omo ya o se da bi o minister. Enye ye na ye bibia amamu. Ye si sa na ma ni wi a ye jeje nsase amamu. Mo de mo wasase no mo do ya na ye gina ho na ye to enwane ne de akokata. I want a minister by no saying, so that is our main aim. We are not just building the fertilizer for you to sell for business. No. We want to invest in food parks so that when you produce the food here, we buy it and take it to Qatar. So that is where we are getting to. So for me, I believe say youth no yenye a bit more innovative way a branch be a sabi many ni share baby keke was honorable but some way farms I can help you just say or the name babu bo kwa mekra me yema hye me a just say yetime de we see be the geolocation omo de computer ni name camera bi bo ho no ma ye friends nti wo jump line na ama alam say we wuram anya say we electric fence ni de be fa ho. And this is all mrantia we develop on. So we can all do it, Omahene. We can all do it. It's just that, like you're saying, the mindset. You have beautiful ideas. Let's try putting some of those ideas on board. And we at National Service, any of our regional offices, any of our district offices, with the beautiful ideas you have about agriculture and agribusiness, bring it to us.
Good.
We'll put it on board and implement it.
Right. So if you've just joined, these are former Mpensenpensenmu for
me and senior.
No, so what crazy chairman.
Double senior.
No, depending on free corner. Am I waiting our yes, I saw him.
Double senior.
The crowd who could use now we 50 cities. I will be honest.
Oh, wow. And then
who did your woman? Oh, wow. 50 cities in Yansa. And then 200 cities. I call a campaign.
I see. Yamba back now. Yami have fear they be call Akwetia for a good reason, very sad one anyway. You can join in your NS Kumi, na Bushia, na Neyene Nemba, na 40 days. No. Ya consider this Uncle Sonkrano. You know, this story is so sad, but we have to be present. You have to be present to support the family and the wife and the kids. No, yeah, can't show you. I say, oh no, nim the entire airbus and Tiakwatia wenchi. We are there when you made the chair this very Friday. Yeah, better bushing of wenchi a war a honor. You be there because now on the second, you know. The battle, or the third and a second. Second. The battle between the New Patriotic Party and then that of the National Democratic Congress. Approach for vis-a-vis approach for preparation. Now they could see send that OBs, Mr. We have approach for readiness now. Hey, come on, hands up. Hey, whoa, yes, we are hopeful, sir. The more you know. Member into fusion a grown ankasa aso. If I mama ya prepare, what shall I say to and there may be a nipa be no ABCC war a year a honum sabia.
No, we are linked to the election.
No, they were coming there. Well, it could be because it's a mining area too. So
okay.
The administration said destabilizing all the ghettos in Akwetia district class and Omefrio. And also Kabebwa.
Okay.
Because joints be or what
noted for some.
Yes, no far election when I come destabilize or cross and more free.
So what it means is that the police cannot fail us or disappoint us.
No. This time
with these numbers.
Well, you see, Omabeka, Yetie no superm. The best way to defend is to attack. In Ghana Police Service, I don't know. Many sure say any right-thinking human being be a man I am here. But I say, as a kakra.
No, but senior, share a friend is saying, Kumu.
Yeah. They did a good job.
It was super.
Not tension, but everybody. Asin was where the tension was
controlled.
By the yes,
they managed to control it. This is a police for now, Castle Mobile.
And he said, "Tanya blue police for we are not far from right."
This it's
been done before.
Yes. Capable of doing Ghana Police Service. Ghana Police Service. So Castle Mobile Juma we are. They have the means to stabilize BBR.
I think say Ablekumano.
They have the means.
They underestimated it.
There be
19 police stations there.
No. But that could be the reason. Oh, say 19.
19 there, and they didn't bring even one arm there.
Yeah, my police presence.
My defense way, my mom farmer woman. Come okay. Police for not here. Hey, now intelligence officers. Ghana Police Service. Who as a security expert, me the only time I mean opportunity in this security men try to come time I had this which is chairman of the District Security Council. Who know me come ideas from they are
deep.
Who to me can't say they didn't know. You who call election, you prepare. That's how I'm catching you. Yeah, be to me see you should always be a step ahead of any public for. And you think that they didn't know? Or we may say they just decided to say you're 40 and Sunday night.
That decision too cannot be entirely correct.
Because no, how would say we can behave ourselves as politicians?
How can you trust?
No, him say a whole former MP Beba have a sprint unto. Huh? It
has convicted for beating our
oh, they be on convicted for spraying.
In our law, one of the instances that you can even kill and go scot-free is self-defense. They make me a can.
The spring came before the attack.
You are lying.
It's true.
You are lying. You are coming to move banner so. I don't want to have video nana.
Okay, so
move banner so.
You live with that space. Are we guaranteed by the party's representatives here? Say, Onyami Adom on the second. BBR
we will be forced to behave.
Now because who know this and I mean sort of confident team ransom.
Black Maria or who? Also matter the money and worship.
And also have a kind of worship. Because
there's a car prison. Put me shame 24/7.
Anna Adiano see yeah good no the possible excesses. A good say police service. And this animal in Abetuja. Me did this anyway, bro. My plan to crash on Beya, a beer for security reasons, what we are also saying is that we are putting our trust in the Ghana Police Service, we as NPP. Now, we emphasize the police service will be used as a tool to intimidate the opposition,
no,
the MPP.
No,
me them, American. Because we don't control them.
No, we also don't control them.
Oh, once the president is the chairman of the National Security Council.
The IGP back on
I get it. Matthias, the American what you say about what we will also not sit down or you be dina or maybe used to know as a tool to intimidate us. No, we are going to comport ourselves as a party, run the election professionally. Obia now got to about saying yes, carbon to train asumbo. Yeah, me vote in the hobby. Me to about hobby. And my presence there is just to give morale to my party people that they should go out and vote. And yemi na mkako kontokwa. Ana kotia kuro no so nye kuro so bia se ebia ye nim ye ho. Akotia omu ni wo mu ho. Utimi bo odin ufi fie be mu. Ubo fie na yetimi kire de owo ana se u papa na wo fa. And so omu ni mo mu ho. And the exercise ebeba no ebe free bia ya ebe free abontia kono. Ye kwone comporte ye ho a problem bia ama. Obi so ye na wan comporte no se MPP ni ye near Betchina share was a blue day.
Black Maria.
Black Maria. What did they Black Maria? And this is so young, financial Black Maria.
Who no question the center conversation.
Send me your sabbath open on the member. If you are baby, you know me and Sandy Magu inside no more. And Manim Koba say, Anna and Sasa Koban say, okay, and they are MPP Nibako, they are also changing this Nibako. And I change this Nibako, I think I was a champ Nibako, not a balance. Sa Ajana wa Ajana too. And the hand, they should stop it. The oil na the oil the engine on or see a channel.
Near equalize.
No, I don't know how I know. It's me bow. Yachi will be back there. Me and she will be back on that. I said, you want to be asked Musru. Sometimes I asked her, had a modern for certificate here, Jumana. Usru says, if you know what you are doing, you have to defend it. A German Koba say, hey, opposition tea, not Chenchana, and this is for this, and we watch you, ma. I was all about chick. Nipa bako ade ka o metia ma no din se wona na titi so kasa no ye nche no na me ba di kana hye me nkura hwe unarmed ma hye me t-shirt me hye party t-shirt ko an wonya mra bi di awe me police center okra me ho some shall be na me operations
so we are guaranteed on the part of the MPP, we are guaranteed that nothing on top.
We have always been peaceful as a political party.
It's just a we are guaranteed.
I am not in the dock. You are not cross-examining me.
No, so are we guaranteed?
You are 100% guaranteed.
Period. That's
yes.
It.
I also heard something said.
That's of the hour and that's all cross-examining me.
Me who videos be na amanfo no bi say, "Eh, adan, ha anya boku." That is also issues of mindset. You see. Yes, me GD say
and healthy talk.
Yes.
And healthy talk.
We've not been overwhelmed with that security presence before. No cre. Dan parade 6,000 begu kumewu. Ye nyina ye ho so kakra because na
ofa ba bia no mugina. Ura no mugina.
Then na nwanwa kra na mayo na na ka no.
Ba bia.
So, yes, I know say we've not been overwhelmed like that. We dey assembly si wo minkura na ba kwa system na me ADC. Abayo bi na okobo ne ba wo krom. Na police penachi no dwane ba the village ti dwane ba village ho na police for ko village ho akwache no ko village ho na omotwe ne ba ohini ya bua abayo ya ma police for craft do mokra yam hihie omo ma na dai dem oye busiefo police ba kra we asida ada na unko awasem ti the police abaku
that's it.
Also police in Kodrobonzo.
How peaceful a community.
Omahene. Sa e kire asem kra ne say because say oba police for ba ho ntino omoniema bia na omoye no kwayem they were forced to go and bend them.
Ubegunija.
Obi akwashi 40 bars, obi akwashi 50 bars because police for ba kra na say enti nipa ba ku problem no dey asai kura na sin nyina ya na se ni abra ya bu ni nyina sa na wa mama boka
free
so we have the same guy to
the problem amanya ne say police for abegu ho sa na say business enti na bi nso ani abre e wa kwatia because say the police for say abegu ho no niam ntimi nkoso
enya we say we na o chepe twamwa uko live na o chepe na.
But are we guaranteed?
Oh, for sure. For me, on the side of the NDC, dear, me knew this NDC will go there to go and fight to win this election. No, it's just a contest of ideas. And now, Sabia Kotia Fono Sunim say, ye pobia ye best man now wait me a call minister's office on go MP na wabem. Then the emre crack okoya na uram comrade on any crack parliament no ordinary so ye pempuntu a ye nsuma de na ban woso
nti oma MPs eni aban mu na se ho de mpuntu nkonti ye
ma so na mo twasa no to ho
ye ma so de bia fo mantma fo
mo na ye frem amu fo ye ba no nti ye no common fund ma wa no ano no ye common fund betimi aye no ADC me see eni amadi
enya obi ani jaya
sama omo na common fund no arrears o
obi ani
for over 6 best 3 years na common fund share arrears
but in your case more 2.5 na call
kokra de da coded da bisano ono de so
no bisano na me
so bisano bra obre
me to
o ko stress no de akosi school de na mu hu pentima mento ni nyina na ye obesresre on kra no de akosi aha se common fund be kwa na nko oboa
o man de oboa
ne ko
coded da o mahine de basemia million ne ko
In assembly, more do.
But quite oh, Jai. Sir, a Jumana, you see, or my quite
they've decentralized it. Every free crime.
Yeah, you can't no class every so.
Oh, yeah, me address presiding members conference or Ashanti region. I think I should get you the video.
Okay.
Me the way in our app and the Keka Honsem. There's an article I'm writing on and me call me kusia there even though me call as chairman and guest speaker. But me call you and no more draw my attention to bibi say presiding members and assembly members almost omu here akatua but maketua no. So you say on my abandon more bibi. But now they are saying say was say a charge on the consolidated fund. To mo kana me to me as a lawyer then quickly now was a revision kakra. And I mean who said it appears that they are the only creatures of the constitution or more allowances and emoluments and your charge on the consolidated fund.
Yeah, because
they are the only
go to the IG.
You get the point. They are the only creatures of the constitution or more entitlements, emoluments,
and
your
the
charge.
Other ones they are tied to.
Yes. Almost being getting me wrong. We say creatures of the constitution.
Exactly.
And you go count me can say as a Coco CEO, you China come from consolidated no. And yet constitution creates it's a different act of parliament and a creative or no so it is an article I'm trying to put together a betimi for the what they say constitutional review committee or set up near the adina so you draw most attention to it now.
Okay, so before we come quickly enough back just a word on how best we can fight this illegality here. If we don't kill it, it's killing all of us. Galam say Compugana Akaya says, Ope electronic air parts and quad, their ne, and your my bit me a boa, my what me a haro or Juma we anymore. Or say, or more premium brands, bit say Samsung, LG, Sigma, TLC, Sony, Bluetech, HP, Lenovo, Techno, any dia kekaka, or say, Compugana showroom on them. Now what you in now to be a nakope, a year, sir. Products you are making your laptops near computers in our home. Nafi, also laptop, ni printers, ni desktop, toners, and new maybe IT related. Once our TV sets, home theaters, fridges, freezers, gas cookers, air conditioners, microwaves, and nafi, and new na electrical appliances. Only computer for in this ankomo I was 0302 752 020 and our WhatsApp 0243 14 3143. Now no nakasa. Compugana ono Kyle say it's a great time to shop with them. Now, Mother was say we are part of the Joy News Habitat Fair no. Shas on the 20th of a year. Oh no. And let's bring Shas there be. I need to check this one. I'll get back to you. But quickly, I did hear me pastor say join the great men of God na ebra mono ebo mpaya no mo so e kansem akase de chiro Christ Apostolic Church International. I'll say 5 days prophetic gathering. The theme is I waited patiently for the Lord to help me. One I ekasa was here attitude for me. What shall I say the 25th of August or maybe 29th. It's your dawn session 4 to 5:45. Morning session 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Evening session 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Kwao Yeboa prayer camp off Brekuman Susuhum Road, Asamanka Assembly making. Akasa for the Apostle Samuel Mpensenpensenmu Frimpong, CI Chairman, Apostle Dr. Samuel Adaikusi, General Secretary, Apostle Samuel Pili Mensa, Prophetic Director, and your attitude so Reverend Peter Kusi Jesse. And also resident pastor Oho, Reverend Richard Nimako, Reverend Emmanuel Ama, Reverend Aaron Tomoa, Apostle Nehemiah Force, and any software attitude be bra one account to be part of it. I'll call your boy prayer camp na kotie de onyame ekacho. We are wrapping up. Just a word on how to really tackle this Galamsey menace. Just 2 minutes.
My Methodist Church, you do 190 years.
190?
Yes. Methodism in Ghana. 190 years. Now, here your impacts. I will mind more. A song. ya bo man no papa mean to mean kasi ya bo man no chance sorry bia but at least minimum say ya bo man no pa from education healthcare name it
190
yes into Methodist Church yama ho ayiko
baby I go for the intimate galaxy was a brilliant
ana eye owura yi Manuel Asare kwache I feel chinkwana na no ye adwuma wo wuntumi ya chi no
all man be
there be other so dem
all man be
there be
all can say that be
I saw see you a hero.
Oh I'm a hero now can say
a hero
in say no e hwe semra ni
ko say mra ni nka hwe so a hero. He's not remorseful about what he said.
That's the word. From what you said, that's how you see it.
He's not remorseful about it.
I don't want to go into.
No, he talks about remorsefulness. Maybe through utterances.
Me a lawyer ni. So I am a client.
Baby, only free banana make that say he talks about remorsefulness.
Nipa na sem no onyin tumu so waye.
Ana that's correct.
Me a lawyer. Now can say a waha no. Because no one can say onyin tumu so waye. Nti na air court trial. Nti court no be timi aka say waye na so wonye. Yebesre bail conditions or lawyer be able to say should not be used as a tool to say for punishment. Yes sir. Meaning whatever the cases. Say ni pano onwane nko baby o maimu.
O church members John Wesley ba.
Meaning so or ye Methodist I don't know.
So church members no they say
John Wesley. Yeah of course. Methodist church can.
But
Methodism there. Yakase ka ho asema
Wesley Cathedral
Emma wo ye crutch ni ankasa etetew
crutch de wo ye na so say be ye
Methodist some say dino Methodism
Emma wo ye crutch because method no
bibia de na
crutch de wo ye o so adwembone no
bibia o ye bia obe ni ye kama
financial service number 2 on afi. People don't know why I'm interested in it because I'm part of that.
Me so there. Me there. Jo ye ne there me no wonya adwene. So abehye ye bo so bebre ye nkoko
this week.
Me si brabeje.
Me ma meje ne meje cha. Me ma na tam akoko community
here broilers Libya farm fresh broilers.
It's very fresh.
Oh yeah.
The prices are very good.
We don't do more than 24-hour freezing.
That's it. Go.
059 838 4468 059 838 4468. Ufra me mayu anu beje so kama na o ma deliver so ama.
So me do bibia say ba watch this space. Dr. Mohammed Mahmoud Baumia, Kennedy Ohine Japan, Dr. Brian Echampong, Dr. Osei Kwame Educhum, Mr. Joe Gatti, Engineer Kwabena J Japan, Engineer Francis Adai Nimo. Watch this space. Your election headquarters, Akwatia, the countdown to the MPP and that of the NDC, Julius Debra, Eric Opoku, Esiedun Ketia, all those things will be coming up. Election headquarters. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.